In this part of the course, we will focus on items and resources, two very important elements in dynamic system. I will show you item card and resource card, and we will go through item and resource ledgers in the system. I will start from items. We can find them using search, items. Your items can be your selling items, items that you buy from your vendor and sell to your customers. You can define as items your finished goods, items you produce in your company, and of course your raw materials, items that you use for your production. I will open one of the existing selling items to tell you more about the information we have on the card. First of all, we have some information, some descriptions. We have a number and the description and base unit of measure, the unit that is used in the system. We can use many different units of measure when using this item in the system, but one is a base one. So we can use pallets, but everything is counted into pieces. In inventory, we have some basic information about the inventory status and the quantity. In here, system calculates online inventory. When you click on it, system will show you all the entries that are connected with the item, with the date and entry type. There are few purchase entries, sales entries, some transfer or positive or negative adjustments. In item ledgers, you will also find location code, so the physical location in your company. You will also find quantities, so invoice quantity and remaining quantity. In remaining quantity, system keeps track of the remaining quantity for each entry. We have also some sales and cost amounts. These values are calculated from additional table called value entries. This table is connected with general ledger, and here we have all the costs and sales amount connected with the entries. On item card, you will find also cost and posting tab. When you enter all the details about the posting and costs, so you will find costing method, where you put the method how the system treats this item in costing. So we have few possibilities in here, and posting details. Here, using posting groups, you will tell the system how to treat each transaction with this item. So you will tell how to purchase and which accounts in chart of accounts can be used with each transaction. In planning, you will find some policy according to purchases. So if it's reselling or selling item, you can have all the settings about resources planning here. As you can see on the right, you can upload a picture of the item, and you can define also some item attributes, and this you can name it as you want, and you can put values for each item. Okay, so let's add one of the items into the system. I will define one of the chairs. Let's create new. I will use 2001 W. It will be testing chair. It is our inventory. It's not a service, it's inventory. We will count it in pieces. Of course, the values are empty right now. We will use it as FIFO. This is resale item. And I will use chairs as product posting group and resale items as inventory posting group. With these settings, the item is ready to be used in the system. We will use it later in this section for purchasing and selling.